Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to watch 2026 FIFA World Cup for free. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you will need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So if you don't have a special TV with a cable that provides you some channels like Fox, FS1, etc., you have a ton of ways to watch this World Cup for free. The first way is you need to simply open your browser and find these streaming platforms. The first one is Fox One, for example. The Fox One platforms allow you to watch every single match for free for 3 days. So if you go to the fox.com website, you will see that it streams FIFA World Cup and you can join them for 3 days for free and then just cancel their subscription. The other way, you can go back and see other streaming platforms, for example DirecTV or Peacock. They also provide some free plans like for several days, so you can just cancel subscription when the period ends. This is the first way. The second way is I made a special table where it says each country can watch what free streaming service. So basically, for example, if you live in Germany, you have ARD free streaming service that has ability to stream World Cup matches. So you just need to simply, if you live in Germany, for example, you just need to simply type in IRD World Cup and go to the website, and as you can see, there are matches that will be live right now, so you just need to click on the match and just wait a little bit until the translation will be live. And that is how you can watch 2026 FIFA World Cup for free. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.